Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to give feedbacks in your performance center to QuickBooks Online. Maybe you want to request new features in your performance centers, or maybe you have some trouble or something like that. You can give feedback to QuickBooks in your performance center. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's going to be very easy. So first you can log into your QuickBooks account. Then you can go to your left side menu to go to reports and go to performance centers here. And then as you can see, this is your performance centers. And if you want to give a feedback, you can just click give feedback here. And then it's loading and you can tell them what you think of the performance center. Maybe you want to request some features like maybe make the performance center more interactive. Maybe you want to make it more interactive, the visual, the graphic, and other stuff like that. So you can just click next, and it's will be sent to the QuickBooks, and you can wait to your email. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.